guys. You guys, so where are we going?
New York. New York City. New York City.
Okay. So don't mind my hair, but my sister and Nicole, which is Kirk's wife.
No, my
Their
mom.
mama.
They mama.
My mom.
And and we got the baby, so we're trying to find somewhere to eat. We just got to the airport. I just had to buy a memory card from here. Thank God that I got clear today. They been had clear, and we skipped the whole TSA line. So I recommend clear.
I recommend
Don't show
Clear.
too many people because the line's gonna be long.
Oh, never mind. Y'all don't get clear because then I can't breeze through the line how I want to get breeze through the line. So we're at PF Chang's.
How about you, Armin?
Oh, let's cheers. Wait, we got cheers for IG. Other family has joined us.
Yeah.
Room tour. I don't know, Baccarat. This is a little crack. So this is a joint suite. Ignore the children. So when you first walk in, this is the closet. And it opens up like this. I don't know what's in there and I'm not gonna touch it. Then you have in here drinks and stuff. Then there's the sitting area. I would ask your parents to touch that. Then there's a little head here. So I wish I could do a room tour. I would. Everybody is fighting over what room they want. There's a couch.
This is my bed.
There's a couch in here.
Oh, the bed isn't down secret.
I wish I could do my room tour.
Hey, get out of my room.
Another one.
Wait, so they're
Look at that coffin tub.
So this is the
Oh shit, Marla, look at this.
Oh, liquor. Nothing.
Who voted? Who voted? Is that how we market territory with this Pluto stuff?
This is the shower. This is the tub over here back in this corner. And I like the shower head. It has like multiple, poles or ways the shower can come out. Then there's a shower head right there as well. Here's the bathroom. I like the detailing on the doorknobs. I like the detailing of everything. It kind of reminds me of like in Paris. I don't know why there's these black lines, but whatever. So this is the restroom. I think this is how you flush the toilet. I think this is. Oh my God! Shut up! And so there's an extra wall thing there. I think that's to squirt over your butt. That's the toilet. It doesn't slam. I like that. There's a trash can. Here's the closet space. There's two of these, so I'm not gonna open. Okay, maybe I will. So, the closet space, and then you have multiple drawers where you can put your things. So, table.
Actually, that was bigger than the
So this one, same on this side, closet. The toilet is an open space.
nail file, cuticle stick.
KK, watch. KK, look. KK, look.
I wish I can film.
Kick. I'm gonna start calling you Kick. KK, look. Look what I can do. Look what I can do. KK, look.
Oh, is that our friend? He goes over there.
Look, see what this is.
Yeah.
Look, kick.
I saw it. So
For the gram.
for YouTube, if it'll make it there. Okay, every time I film somewhere.
This is a nice bed. No, it's not.
Ooh, oh, sorry. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand. You want to see the window view, KK?
Oh my goodness. I just want to film in peace. Sorry, Greg. Let me just like do this. Shit. Okay.
Like a pull-out bed that can be brought in, do you know?
Oh yeah, I could find out.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You made the rollaway bed?
Yeah, like a roll.
Absolutely. How many beds do you need?
Can I get two?
I'll let
Can I get two?
I'll let
or
call center get in
Thank
contact
you.
with you, of
Thank
course.
Thank you.
This is going to yes, one. Yes, please.
No, it's going in here.
Oh, that goes in there? I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay. Wait, did you see the? Okay.
I know, that's everywhere.
Yes.
Called my room, but they all took it. And I know.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. You can come on.
Okay, thank you.
Don't slide that door.
Probably it's a joy.
Now this isn't my room.
Guys, come here.
What is going on down there?
Like,
What a beautiful view.
that